Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Route 164. Today I want to review this box from Johnny Lightning. It's a classic gold collection of 2020, and as you can see it's release 2 and version B, I guess. Well, let's have a look inside. There are some very nice ones inside. So let's have a look at the first one. There you have Chevy Corvette Hardtop from 1965, and it's mist blue poly. There you have some facts, and there you have the packaging. Johnny Lightning classic gold with some nice art. One of 3008. Let's have a look at the back of the packaging. There's a number, and there is another set. And these are the ones in the case. As you can see, some nice ones. Okay, let's view the model. So it's a nice metallic blue. There's the front. And the back, and these have rubber tires with a metal base, of course. So that's the first one. Let's have a look at the second one. And that's one of the reasons I bought this box. It's Dick Landy's Automotive research car, a Dodge 330 from 1964. And there you can see it's version B. So this is the B case. But this is a very nice one. I love this livery, and these kind of cars are just awesome. You can see the hood pins and the scoop, front lights. The color is grey poly. Tail lights. Different hubcaps. The rear one is black. Very nice one, this. Let's have a look at the art. Also not many made, one of 2000 pieces. Nice packaging. The back will be the same as all the other ones. Nothing special. But this is a very nice one. One of 2000. Next one. There you have a Studebaker Avanti from 1963 in a nice orange color. It's Saturn bronze fire mist. There you have some facts. Front of the car, white wall tires. back side, the top. This is a nice one. Also one of 2000. There's the art. And also rubber tires. All of these have rubber tires and metal base. This one is a nice color. Next one. And there you have another reason for me to buy this case. It's a black Chevy Monte Carlo SS from 1987. And I love these cars. Recently there was another one. I believe the color on the striping was different on the other one. I'm not sure if it was another year or just a different striping. But this is the second black one of the Monte Carlo they released this year. I believe it was in the tin car collection. They released a white and a black one with different stripes. But still I love these kind of cars, these square body cars. Nice rims on this one too. Rubber tires. Let's have a look at the art. Monte Carlo SS. One of 3512. Great piece. Yep, next one. And there you have an Oldsmobile. Old Cutlass 442 convertible 1970 in Matador red. One of 3008. There you have the art, the whole packaging. This is my least favorite one. It's nice, but not that special for me. I like the old Cutlass, but I rather have a closed top one, not a convertible. There you have the tail lights, the seats, but it's okay. And I think the last one already, and that's also a nice one. And that's the Chevy Pickup 3100 pickup. And I love these kind of pickups. The Ford F100 and this Chevy 3100. Those are my favorite pickups. They made a little bit more of this one of 4256, and it's custom two-tone, metallic blue and white. There you have some info about the car. These rims are not my favorite ones, but all the rest of the car is very nice. The two-tone. I think the one from the A set has better rims. It's an orange one. There's the back side. Nice bed with wood. Metal base, rubber tires, not too thick. So that's a nice piece. I also ordered the version A set, and I will receive that next week. So there you have the whole packaging. So that's my review. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!